Stokk T1 is a sleek and compact RO system with a glass carafe and a free remineralizing filter for added minerals. Plus, it's backed by third-party certifications that vouch for its performance. However, it's not for well water and has a slow water dispensing rate. So, in this video, we'll put the Stokk T1 to the test, analyzing its contaminant removal, design, and overall ease of use to know if it's worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, contaminant removal. Stokk T1 is SGS tested to meet NSF standards 42 and 58 to reduce chlorine, heavy metals, PFAS, and fluoride from your water. It uses a 6-stage filtration process. The polypropylene carbon composite filter removes large particles and impurities. The reverse osmosis membrane filters out heavy metals. Lastly, a carbon post-filter polishes the water, removing any remaining impurities. UV sterilization eliminates microorganisms. The alkaline boost filter remineralizes the water to enhance taste. However, Stokk T1 isn't recommended for well water with high TDS and hardness. So better to use it for municipal tap water only. Next up is the water flow rate and design. While the dispensing speed is generally good, the mineral filter on the carafe cap can slow down the flow rate. If the carafe is filled too quickly, the water can come up too fast for the filter lid to drain, causing an overflow. Additionally, the system wastes about 1/3 of the feed water, which is standard for countertop RO systems. It also requires frequent refills, often 2 to 3 times a day. The water tank is placed at the back of the machine, which makes refilling difficult. On the plus side, the system's compact design doesn't take up much countertop space. It comes with a glass carafe, although the main container is plastic. It's available in 2 color options, white and gray. Next up is the installation and maintenance. Setting up the Stokk T1 countertop RO is easy. The water tank is easily removable from the back of the unit for filling. Once the tank is filled with tap water and reattached, the system activates as soon as it is plugged in, as there is no on-off switch. The large, easy-to-read touch display shows 3 filter life indicators: filtered water TDS and UV light indicator. Before first use, the system requires 4 30-second flushes to clean out the filters. Each flush dispenses approximately 54 ounces of water, so better to use a large pitcher to collect the wastewater. Additionally, soak the mineral filter in water for 2 hours before first use to prevent leaks. The system automatically flushes itself when powered on, after changing the water, and after filter replacements. Coming to filter replacements, the pre-carbon filter and the post-carbon filter last for 6 months, while the reverse osmosis membrane has a lifespan of 12 to 24 months. Additionally, the mineral filter lasts for 6 months. Replacement costs are around $130 to $155 annually, which is quite reasonable. The filter life indicator makes it easier to know when to replace filters. You also need to clean the feed water tank once a month with a cleaning brush. Finally, let's come to warranty and customer support. Stokk has a 30-day refund guarantee and a 1-year warranty, which can be extended by an additional year upon registration. Customer support is very responsive. Some users find the manual instructions a little confusing and sometimes contradictory to the video instructions, but contacting support does resolve their problems. So here's our final takeaway. Stokk T1 is a decent, budget-friendly countertop RO that effectively removes common contaminants from city water. While it may require frequent refills and isn't suitable for well water, its UV sterilization and alkaline boosting is impressive. If you've any questions, comment below and I'll respond. And for the top 3 picks to remove sediment from well water, check out this video next.